we have first ratio 6 square meters over 18 square meters. So we can reduce square meters. We have in numerator and denominator, so we can reduce. What else? 6 and 18 we can divide by 6, so it will be 1 and 3. So we have that this is equal 1 over 3. And the second ratio, we have 10 feet over 2 miles. We know that 1 mile is equal 5,280 feet. So let me copy our ratio. We have 10 feet over 2 miles. So this is equal, because we have that 1 mile is 5,280 feet, so we will rewrite our denominator. Numerator we will copy 10 feet over 2 times 1 mile we can rewrite. So this is equal, and now 1 mile we can substitute by this. So 10 feet we copy over 2 times 5,280 feet. And now we see that feet we can reduce, and 0 we can reduce with numerator and denominator, and this is equal 1 over 2 times 528. This is equal 1056. So this is my solution.